This is a Stewarts of America threaded base pin roller. As you can see, the roller is drilled and tapped all the way around in the pattern of customer's choice. The pins are mounted in threaded bases, as you can see in the picture, and we also supply you an insertion tool to screw the pins in. So simply place the pin in the hole, place the insertion tool over the top of the pin, and screw it into place. The advantage of this roller, of course, is that you can insert and remove pins as you like to create different patterns. You can also increase or decrease the projection of the pin to create different hole sizes. Any questions? Please contact Stewarts of America at sales@stewartsofamerica.com or see more on our website at www.stewartsofamerica.com.